A progressive society honors its intellectuals, values them, creates a climate of their flourishing, and makes their life comfortable. The purpose of the Infosys Prize is to add its own bit to this important task of our country. Our winners have solved some of the toughest problems, as we have just heard. The latest that I can speak about is Professor Manjul Bhargav, who proved just the last month, in November 2021, the 1936 conjecture of when there were then. This problem lay unsolved for over 85 years. Let me congratulate the winners of the Infosys Prize 2021. Scientists study the world as it is, ponder about its anomalies, discover the reasons for these anomalies, and usher in new ideas and theories. The engineers, on the other hand, use these ideas to create a world that never was. The social scientists make living in this world meaningful. The artists make our life enjoyable. Adi Shankara's Advaita Vedanta and Immanuel Kant's The Critic of Pure Reason, Brahmagupta's invention of zero, Adam Smith's invisible hand, Will and Ariel Durant's The Story of Civilization, Freud's work on psychoanalysis, Vyasa's work on Mahabharata, and Guido de Arezzo's work on musical notation for Western classical music are good examples of great minds at work in philosophy, mathematics, economics, history, psychology, and music. The theory of relativity, quantum mechanics, Maxwell's electromagnetic theory, Alan Turing and von Neumann's work on computers, Claude Shannon's work on information theory, Tim Berners-Lee's work on World Wide Web, and Alfred Berthiem, Paul Ehrlich, and Alexander Fleming's work on penicillin, to name just a few scientific and engineering ideas, are some of the most impactful examples of the power of great minds at work in physical sciences, mathematics, computing and engineering, and life sciences. India has made laudable progress in using science and engineering ideas to advance our country. However, several grand challenges remain. Let me mention just three. Our air is toxic and unfit for breathing in many places. We have serious shortage of potable water. We are yet to design vaccines for dengue and chikungunya. What are the solutions? There are two solutions. First is to create an environment of high aspiration, positivity, enthusiasm, full academic freedom, and humility among our researchers. The second is to bring a competent, transparent, and accountable bureaucracy with a focus on speed of action. Let me focus just on the first issue. The students of electrical engineering and CS, there are many here, revere Professor Richard Hamming, who developed the coding theory and the famous Hamming code. Professor Richard Hamming, in his scholarly book, The Art of Doing Science and Engineering, has spoken about the importance of developing a certain style of thinking among youngsters to do research work and to solve important problems. That detailed discussion is for another day. What is style? Style is working on the right problem at the right time, in the right way to solve a grand problem. The best way to develop such a style among the youngsters, according to Professor Richard Hamming, is to create an environment of aspiration to solve important problems, courage, self-belief, desire for excellence, open-mindedness, ability to invert the problem and solve perhaps a grander problem, sustained intellectual investment, pluralism, curiosity, hard work, ability to tolerate ambiguity, discussion, debate, cross-discipline orientation, critical thinking, acceptance of one's failure, appreciation of those that perform better than us, and the ability to applaud truth, no matter how far our stand is from it. The ability to applaud truth based on data and facts is what distinguishes our chief guest of the day, Professor Gagandeep Kang. She has become the definitive and authentic voice on the COVID-19 vaccine issue. Her words have earned much confidence amongst the cognoscenti of our land. Any interminable discussion on COVID-19 comes to an end when somebody says, Professor Kang has said it. She is a well-known Indian microbiologist and virologist. She is a professor of virology and gastrointestinal sciences at the Christian Medical College, Vellore. She has won several awards. I will just mention two. We are proud that she won the Infosys Prize for Life Sciences in 2016. She is the first Indian woman to be elected to the Royal Society, UK. Friends, I have great pleasure to present you Professor Gagandeep Kang.